Hello class. So today we're going to be learning about one of many apps that we will be using inside of our music class this year. For this lesson, you will be introduced to Chrome Music Lab. This app will let you listen, create, and explore music in a new, fun way. So the first things we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, go open up a browser, and we're going to type in Chrome Music Lab. And of course, hit search. And it's going to be the first link that says musiclab.chromeexperience.com. I'm going to click that. And as you see, when you open up Chrome Music Lab, there are so many things that you can do to create music. You have shared piano, you have rhythm, and you have the song maker. So today we're going to focus on the song maker. So we're going to click song maker. And we're going to talk about we're going to talk about SongMaker and what we should use and how we're going to be using the tools in SongMaker. So in SongMaker, to create your song, you see this here, we have a grid. We are going to click on a grid to get our pitches. So it goes from do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. If you notice, do, high do, and low do are the same color. So do is red, and so on and so forth. All right. At the bottom where you see the circles, this is where you will be entering your rhythm. You click on the circles. The top is like the hi-hat, and the bottom is the bass drum. To listen to what you produced or you created, you are going to hit the play button. All right, and it will play the entire song. If you want to restart or erase everything completely off your screen, you're going to hit the restart button. And you are going to create your song again by clicking on the squares that you want. So if I say to do a song singing do, do, re, do, do, mi, mi. So that's what you will find, okay? And then you just add your rhythm. And to listen to it. All right, and then you hit that again to stop. Here we have the tempo bar. So tempo means how fast or slow the music is going. So if you want to speed it up, you move the bar up. If you want to slow it down, you move the bar down. All right, so that is tempo. You also have the microphone. If you click on the microphone, you will be able to sing the note and you'll be able to find your pitch that you're singing. And then you have instruments. You can change the sounds of your instruments by clicking on it. All right. So here we have four bar song here. But if you wanted to increase your song maker or make your song longer, hit settings, and you'll see where you can add more bars. And you can also change the beats per bar. And also how many octaves it is. So you can change from 1 to 2. 3 is the highest octave. And you can also change to what note you start on. Okay. So I'm just going to add 6 and we're going to keep it at 2. And then you want to click the plus sign. And now you see we have another bar here. And if we drag over, it shows us 4 more bars that we can use to create a song. All right. And last but not least, once you have finished and created your song, you're going to save your song by copying the link. One way you can do is you can click save and then hit copy and copy your link and then paste it to Miss Devon in Google Classroom. Okay? So I hope you guys have fun with Chrome Music Lab and the Song Maker, and enjoy.